Hi, y'all. This is Tanya Meadows with Apple Tree Homeschool Academy and Apple Tree Home Daycare. This week we're in the middle of our camping theme, and I have 3 Melissa and Doug brand fishing games. These are dramatic play toys, and I wanted to do an unboxing of this one. This one is their Let's Explore series fishing play set. I'll give you a picture of what the packaging looks like. And these fish are more realistic. Let me compare for you real quick the other 2 sets I have. I have one set that has numbers 1 through 4. They're matching in both numbers and in colors. They're all the same size. And number 3 there is somewhere in our classroom, and I just couldn't find it for today, but it'll pop up. I just had it this week. Each set comes with a fishing pole, 2 fishing poles actually. This one is green and blue without a bobber. And these 2 have little pretend bobbers on them, and they're red and blue. I don't remember which of these 2 sets came with which little fishing poles. But the other set is numbers 1 through 5. And each of the pair of fish are sequenced from smaller to larger or from larger to smaller. So there's several different ways that you can play with this. This is color matching and numeral matching and size differentiation. Now you can put your little fish into different containers or into like a little blue or green piece of material or silk on the floor. I like to use these bins from Walmart. This one bin comes from the kitchen section, and I have a piece of blue paper that I want to laminate and put in the bottom of this just to add a little color feature for water. And this, believe it or not, is a cake topper from one of the delis, and the plastic is good and sturdy. So I went ahead and used that for my second set of fish, and I keep them separate like that. Both of these 2 sets are magnetic, so both fishing poles have these little magnets on the end, and they've got a nice safety feature on them. So Melissa and Doug does a really good job of making their materials as childproof as possible. This new set that I bought has these hooks on them. So let's go ahead and get this opened up and let's look at what all we get. This is what it looks like when I pull it out of the box. And this is what the back of the box looks like. So those are all the pieces that come in it. I'm planning on cutting this section of the box off and putting it in my storage bin. Okay, this has different languages on the back of the box for suggestions. And here is the English version. It'll tell you a little bit of what is in the box and countless ways, suggestions, how to play. So without unboxing the tackle box yet, I can already notice that these fish are a little different. Each one is different than the next, so this is not a matching game set. And they have these little hooks on the front of their mouths. Now the fishing poles have hooks instead of magnets like the other sets do. And the other set has magnets as well. Let's see what's in the tackle box. So you open it up and there's a net and all kinds of goodies. Okay, this is what comes in the little tackle box. And this is a double-sided mat with a winter theme for a pond or a lake and a spring theme. With some ducks, butterfly, turtle, log, red bird, dragonfly, another turtle or a snake, and a little robin, a little frog, a little chipmunk. So he's really cute. And then on the flip side, bunny, log, red bird, and some other birds. You also get this little guide. It's plastic, and you flip it over, and it has a little how-to checklist for the worm, and then a little checklist. Trout, catfish, bass, wallies, pike, and salmon. And then this is scored, so it can fold up into a little booklet like that. And on the back side, it has different languages on suggestions on how to play fishing games. Has these two little fishing licenses, and that's what the front of them look like, and that's what the back of them looks like. Came with this little plastic Ziploc type style bag with 4 little flat plastic style little worms, and these are flat. It came with this little fishing net inside the tackle box and this cute little wooden measuring stick. So it's double-sided, 1 through 5 inches, I suppose. Then that's what the back looks like. Comes with this little medallion. The tackle box comes with a handle and these little clips at the top. And then it's got the Melissa & Doug brand, some fish on the front, and nothing on the back. So, I like this set. I'm excited. I'm glad for the realistic pictures on them. This is a wooden set. Plastic for the tackle box and some of the pieces on the inside. But I think this is great for an older group. The hooks on the end of the fishing poles are going to be a little bit more challenging. So that'll be great for an older group. I have an older 3-year-old little boy in my daycare, and I think he'll love this set and be able to do it just fine. This set with simple numbers 1 through 4 and all the same size is for a younger group, and this is for a middle-aged group. So this is a little bit more difficult. So this would be level 1, level 2, and level 3. So I can find uses for all of these, and you don't have to put all 3 at the same time. Just choose which group you have and choose which day, how your day is going, and put out your materials accordingly. So I hope you like this set. Like, share, subscribe. Comment below if the comment sections are open with YouTube. Have a great week. My kiddos are really enjoying this camping theme. This is week 2. On our next week, we're going to be introducing Smokey the Bear and fire safety. So have a great week. Bye.